Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Today let us make this smoky jollof spaghetti. Very delicious and nice. Come with me as I show you how I made this. So you want to start off by preparing your pan. If you have a baking pan, prepare it with this white paper. This white paper is basically for anything that has oil. It's not the normal bake paper, so get this white one. So you start off with your tomatoes. I have tomatoes, I have paprika, I have my ginger, my garlic, I have my red onions, I have some basilicum, and I have some fresh thyme. So I'm going to prepare all this. I'm going to clean up all this, open the pepper, which is the paprika, and remove all the seed. Then divide your tomatoes in 4 pieces depending on how fast you want it. Then cut off all your tomatoes, cut them pretty small so that it is able to roast very well. So on this baking pan, add all the tomatoes, the pepper, the fresh pepper, the all the fresh things that you have. Add them inside this pan and then go over it with a bit olive oil. Go over it also with salt. Put on your dry ingredients, all your dry ingredients, all the spices that you're going to be using, and this is how it is looking. Very beautiful, very red. You can see my habanero pepper there. You can see the fresh thyme, basilicum, everything is fresh, guys. This is goodness. After roasting these, guys, you will even want to eat it just that way. This is so delicious when you bring them out of the oven. So go ahead and add this in the oven, and I cooked this for 30 minutes on 200 degrees. So get your pot, put water, put salt, pepper, and some butter into the boiling water. And once the water is boiled, add in your spaghetti, your noodle, whatever it is that you want to use it for. You can also use this with rice, but here I made it. So my spaghetti has cooked for 80%. Guys, don't cook this until it is done. And what I am doing here is to add very cold water so that it will stop cooking. Guys, if you are making noodles, if you are making spaghetti, anything you are making like this, and you will still have to cook it later, use cold water to stop it from cooking. So my pepper has, my fresh item is out of the oven. Look at this, guys. You can literally eat this. It is cooked, it is delicious. I am telling you, you can literally eat this. So on a fresh pot, add a bit of oil, not coconut oil, whatever oil that you want to use. Then you add some beef. I'm using shredded beef today. You can add whatever it is that you want. You can use fish, you can use anything of your choice. Then as the meat is cooking, go ahead and add all the pepper, all the things that you roasted in the oven, add them inside the blender. Guys, do make sure that you add all the juice, all the water that is left in the baking pan. Add everything here because you don't need to add water. And then go ahead and blend it as smooth as you want, and then add it inside your beef, inside your shredded beef that you have fried, and then add some of your ingredients to it. Here I have turned off the cooker, so what I am trying to do is just mix. So guys, I am mixing bit by bit so that if the sauce and the taste is not enough, I can put the rest inside the fridge. But the sauce is enough because I was cooking for not just for my husband and I'm also cooking for other people. Go ahead and add some fresh herbs on top of it, and then it is ready. We're not going to be cooking this. The next thing you want to do is to use folio and cover this and add it inside your oven and bake for 20 minutes, and then it is ready. It is out. This is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you share, like, and comment. Thank you.